In primetime news this evening, local integrity watchdog NIA calls for CMU report to be made public. PNP in public show of unity as it moves into election mode. And security, top of the agenda as Port Royal set to welcome its first cruise ship. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, the days of keeping a significant amount of money under the bed are long gone. Some persons now choose to save with financial institutions, but is it safe? How can I protect my money in a bank, for example? I'll have more on that in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen at the sports desk with a look at what's coming up in primetime sports. Karen?
Thanks, Herman. Well, stakeholders are worried about one of the region's most popular sports, citing a downturn in spectator and athlete interest. We'll tell you all about that later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question: should the government make the Auditor General's report on the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, public? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.